Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Ford Kuga 1.5 EcoBlue ST-Line X. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with a manual transmission and is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with, then you have your LED daytime running lights, which are brilliant for making you more visible, especially to other road users. Along with 19-inch 5-split spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the white exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you have a large amount of space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the Salerno leather and Rapton cloth upholstery in ebony. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around you can find that lovely upholstery once more. This vehicle also has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. You also have the upgraded Bang & Olufsen sound system, helping to enhance your listening experience on any journey that you may take. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 45,009 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto supported via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. And of course you also have front and rear parking sensors, making parking so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on a Ford Kuga 1.5 EcoBlue ST-Line X. It's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.